Show you off in Lambos out on Collins. I be.
Hello friends, welcome to Everything Unit. In the previous video, we have seen different terms that are related to the look angle determination. Now, in this video, let us see some of the problem solving based on look angles. Here is an example. A link is to be established through a geosatellite at longitude 30 degrees west between an earth station near Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, with a latitude of 22.91 degrees south and a longitude of 43.17 degrees west. An earth station antenna near Santiago, Chile, with a latitude of 33.45 degrees south and longitude of 70.67 degrees west. Now, our task is to calculate the look angles for each station. That is, in this case, in this question we have given with the two earth station antennas, and the link is to be established between these two antennas, and the location of the first earth station antenna is given at Brazil, that is 22.91 degrees south and with a longitude of 43.17 degrees west. And here we are given with the geosatellite location, that is 30 degrees west. So I recommend to take the given question in this format so that we could solve the question very easily. That is, satellite longitude and latitude positions, that is LS and small ls, and the satellite earth station antennas positions, that is LE1 and LE2, small LE1 and L2. In the same way for the satellite station 2, earth station 2. After completing this, I recommend to take this picture based on the question. In any problem solving related to look angles, please draw some of the pictures like this so that in the case of azimuth angle finding, we need to know whether the satellite station is northeast or northwest or southeast or southwest with respect to the earth stations. So draw the figure in this way, as we are given with the latitude longitude positions, so we need to draw the figure in such a way that longitude's reference. So here it is given that 30 degrees west, so 30 degrees west is the satellite station and the earth station 1 is at 43 degrees. So 43 degrees earth station 1 and the 70 degrees is for the earth station 2. So after drawing these all pictures, we go for the steps involved in the look angle calculation. We know that first step is to find the central angle. Find central angle. We know that central angle cos of R is equal to cos of capital LE, that is earth station 1, cos of LS minus LE1. We know that cos of capital LE is nothing but latitude of the earth station, that is 22.91 degrees, and cos of longitude of satellite, that is 30 degrees, minus longitude of earth station antenna, that is 43.17. So on performing the calculations, cos of 22 minus cos of 30 minus 43.17, which is minus 13.17. We know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, so which gives a result of 0.92, cos of 22.91, and cos of minus 13.7 gives 0.97. So cos of R is equal to 0.8924, and we need the value of R, that is central angle. So cos inverse of 0.8924 gives R is equal to 26.824 degrees. So we need this value to find the calculation of elevation angle. In the step 2, we will find elevation angle. Elevation angle. We know that elevation angle EL is equal to tan inverse of cos of central angle minus excitation radius, radius of earth and the radius of satellite path divided by sine of central angle. So we could write this as tan inverse of cos of central angle, which is 0.8924 minus excitation radius can be, for the geo satellite it is nothing but 63,078.14. Next, radius of satellite is from the surface, that is 42,164 for the geo satellite, divided by sine of central angle, that is nothing but 26.824. On doing this calculation, you will get tan inverse of 1.643. We know that tan inverse of 1.643 is equal to 58.67 degrees. So this is the elevation angle. Here we found the central angle. To find the central elevation angle, now we are left with the finding of azimuth angle. For that we need to find the intermediate angle. Here we found these elevation and azimuth angle, central angle and elevation angles for H station 1. So we need to find azimuth and elevation for the next H station 2 also. Now let us find the azimuth angle for the H station 1. That is step 3, intermediate angle calculation. We know that intermediate angle is equal to tan inverse of tan mod of longitude of the satellite minus longitude of the H station 1 mod value divided by sine of latitude value of first H station, that is equal to tan inverse of tan of 30 degrees, which is the longitude value of satellite minus longitude value of earth, that is 43.17 divided by sine of H station longitude, that is nothing but 22.91 degrees. On solving, we will find tan inverse of 0.605. We know that tan inverse of 605 is equal to 31.18 degrees. So here we find the elevation angle, intermediate angle. From the previous figure, that is here we found out that H station, with reference to the H station 1, the satellite station is at, this is north, south, east and west, that is nothing but northeast. So in the case of northeast, we have already discussed in the previous videos that in the case of northeast, azimuth angle will be equal to the angle, intermediate angle. So by using this azimuth angle is equal to intermediate angle in the case of northeast, we could write that in the step 4, azimuth angle for the satellite station in northeast with respect to H station is equal to intermediate angle, that is azimuth angle is equal to intermediate angle is equal to 31.18 degrees. So in this way we found the azimuth angle, elevation angle for the earth station antenna 1. Now we need to find the same thing for the earth station antenna 2 also. Now for the earth station 2, the process is same. So in the step 1 we need to find the central angle. We know that central angle, cos of central angle are equal to cos of capital L to E, that is earth station, cos of longitude of satellite minus longitude of earth station, that is 2, which is equal to cos of latitude of earth station is 33.45 for the second station, and cos of longitude of satellite, that is 30 minus 70.67. On calculating we write that cos of 33.45 into cos of 30 minus 70.67, which is minus 40.67. On finding the values we will get 0.834 and 0.758. So from this we could get cos of central angle is equal to 0.6321. On sending this cos to this side, we will get R equal to cos inverse of 0.6321, which is equal to R equal to 50.789 degrees. Now we need to find in the step 2 elevation angle. Step 2 elevation angle. We know that elevation angle EL is equal to tan inverse of cos of central angle minus earth station radius, earth radius by satellite radius from the surface, sine of central angle, which is equal to tan inverse of 0.6321, that is cos of central angle 0.6321 minus earth radius, that is 6378.14 kilometers, divided by earth station geosatellite. As it is geosatellite, from the satellite it is nothing but 42,164 kilometers, divided by sine of central angle, that is sine of 50.789. On solving this we will get tan inverse of 0.6205, and tan inverse of 6205 will be equal to elevation angle, which is 31.82 degrees. In this way we found the elevation angle and the intermediate angle for the second station also. We need to find azimuth angle. For that we need to find intermediate angle. In the step 3 intermediate angle, we know that intermediate angle is equal to tan inverse of tan mod longitude of satellite minus longitude of earth station, that is second earth station, sine of latitude of second earth station, which is equal to tan inverse of tan of 30 degrees minus 70.67 degrees, divided by sine of 33.45, which gives a result of tan inverse of 1.558 degrees. Tan inverse of 1.55 degrees is equal to 57.3 degrees. So in this way we found the intermediate angle. As we have already discussed that, from this figure we could see that earth station, with reference to the earth station 2, the satellite station is at northeast. From the previous classes we have already understood that for the station, for the satellite station that are in the northeast direction, azimuth angle will be equal to intermediate angle, that is for north east, that is azimuth angle is equal to 57.3 degrees in the case of H station 2, which is step 4. Like this, in the case of northeast, H station antenna with reference satellite station will be azimuth angle is equal to intermediate angle. So azimuth angle is equal to intermediate angle, which is 57.3 degrees. So in this way we will solve the problems based on look angles. I recommend to solve these problems many more to get very grip on them. If you have any doubts, please comment them in the comment section, and if you like this video, like and share to the friends whoever this need, and subscribe to Everything You Need. Thank you.